Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare 3D modeling and assembly in SolidWorks software. You can see I choose the press tool assembly drawing. In the BOM there are 4 parts: bottom plate, guide pillar, guide bush, top plate. You can see all the 2D drawings also here. First I will do 3D modeling, then I will start assembly. Friends, before starting I am requesting to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me friends. The first part is bottom plate. You can see all the dimensions 250 by 150 and thickness is 30 mm. Select extruded boss, select top plane, select center rectangle, give the dimension 150, this is 250, extruded up to 30 mm, click OK. So base is ready. Next there are 4 holes, diameter is 25 mm, pitch is 90 and 150, from the side 30 by 30. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 30, this is also 30, diameter is 25. Select here center line, select circle, select mirror, select mirror about center axis, click OK. Again select 2 circles, select mirror about center axis, click OK. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, select through hole, click OK. Next there is a one hole 50 diameter, center of the object and 50 mm dimension. Select this surface, sketch, select circle, give the dimension 50, diameter also 50. Select the center point and origin point, select horizontal constraint, click OK, finish. Select here extruded cut, select here through hole, click OK. So first part is ready. Save the part as a bottom plate, save. Second part is, you can see top plate also similar but hole diameters are different. For that go to file, save as a top plate, save, edit this sketch, give the diameter 45 mm, 40 mm. Click OK. Again select this cutout, delete this, select extruded boss, select sketch. So reverse the direction, we want 90 mm plus 30, 120 mm. Click OK. So second part also completed. Next, guide pillar, diameter 25, length is 200 mm. Close this. Select extrude, select front plane, select here circle, diameter 25 mm. Click OK. Select mid plane, give the dimension 200 mm. And also select chamfer, give 2 mm both side. Click OK. You can see shaft is completed. And other one, guide bush, outer diameter 20, inner diameter 45, length is 60 mm, 2 into 45 degree chamfer. Save as guide pillar. Close the part. Select extruded bus, select front plane, select here circle, give the dimension 40 mm, change here unit friends. Okay, select extruded bus, front plane, select circle, again select one more circle, give the dimension 40 mm, one more 25 mm. Finish sketch. Here select mid plane, give the dimension 60 mm length, click OK. Select chamfer 2 mm, select outer adjust only, click OK. Save the part, guide bush. So all the parts are completed. Now I will start assembly. Control new, assembly, OK. Insert components, bottom plate, guide bush, guide pillar, top plate. So this part already fixed. Select mate, select this part and this part, concentric, OK. Select bottom surface and this parallel, OK. Select this guide rod, mate, select guide rod, mate, bottom plate, concentric, click OK. Select bottom surface of the guide rod, select plate surface, coincident, OK. Now here select linear pattern, select the direction, reverse the direction, select direction 2, reverse the direction 120 mm, 190 mm, click OK. Same, select this component, select linear pattern, select the direction, reverse the direction, direction 2, select the direction, select the component, select linear pattern, first one select the direction, reverse that, second one reverse the direction, click OK. Next select this surface and this surface, here reverse the direction, click OK. Select mate, give these two parts, click OK. Again select these two, click OK. So press tool is ready. This will work like this, punching, and also you can give mate here. Select this surface, this, give the dimension 30 mm, click OK. So you can compare, friends. Save the assembly. Ctrl S. And also you can assign some color here. Select the part. Here assign some colors. Select top plate. Like this we can assign the colors, friends, for part identification. So this is today's session, friends. Once again I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this video, friends.